Thank you, Melona.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, ito yung ano, meatballs for appetizer. Meatballs, parmesan. Tikman natin, guys. Favorite din namin ang breadsticks nila dito, guys.
Oh, it's fine.
Breadsticks nila dito is so good, guys.
Never had this before. Let's see.
See? I wanna try it too. But half only.
Wow. I like it. I like
Like it?
It's good.
Tikman
Good for
natin.
me.
Tikman natin yung ano nila. Meatballs parmesan for appetizer.
In your bread?
Okay lang. Siyempre hindi to homemade. This is not homemade lang.
Huh?
This is commissary made.
Not homemade.
No.
It's not.
Of
That's what they
course.
said. All of this is pre-cooked.
Talaga?
Mhm.
Na. Bread nila, guys. Oh, salty. A little bit salty now. Yung bread nila little bit salty. No, guys, hindi to dapat appetizer. This meatball should not be appetizer. It's
It's filling.
filling. Nasa siyang sausage. Tastes like sausage lang. Parang imbutido natin, guys. Parang kang kumakain ng imbutido, guys. Yung parmesan. It's like you're eating imbutido.
I love it.
Parang,
I want more. But that's it. You want more?